My name's OBG. I'm here with my dumbass brothers. We're going to go to LA to see the sauciest shoes of them all.
Hey, I'm not a dumbass.
So let's fucking get it.
I'm not a dumbass.
Welcome to the sauciest channel of the mall. I got Jordan 13s, I got Nike SB, got Yeezy Calabaza, tell them que tranza. It's your boy OBG, spice it up for the sauce. Yeah, it's the sauce.
So your boy got on the what, the dunks?
What are you?
Nigga.
Easy desert boots.
Whatever that means.
The Supremes.
Focus on.
Ooh, why are you making
What
fun
the
of me?
fuck? How do you feel about this?
Okay. Got low-key the motherfucking bolillos on.
How do you feel about the little trip?
Low-key, I'm scared if there's turbulence on the airplane. I'm just start
That's
swinging on
crazy,
them.
bro. I've never been to Narnia before. I can't believe
First
it.
time this dumbasses are flying, so we'll see what
We're going to the
happens.
Kanto
We're
region.
going to Legoland.
Right, Gary?
Fuck up, Peter. Sir.
¿A qué horas llegan, Brian?
So we're here at Orange County. We're gonna go check out my friends from Riff, see what kind of fire they got. Follow me. How you doing? They have a bunch of heat, bro. Oh, these are fucking dope. The Union Dunks, Passport Dunks. Fucking fire. You like them? Sick as fuck. So, we're here at Ribs in Orange County, Santana. These shoes mark my childhood. I had these shoes when I was a youngster. Now I saw them brand new. They're not that expensive. They're the Send Help SBs. But you know we're gonna have to take them. Let's go see what they have in the big wall. I'm gonna take this, but I'm still looking, okay? What are those? Those are the purple box. Oh, they said they have the fucking the Papa Bears. Look at the Supremes, the collection. The hacky sack. What is this? What happened? Further for that.
This is one of the coolest SBs I've ever seen.
Really? Hey, what shoes did you get?
Got the EC 17.
You want to try them on? Yeah, sure.
Ches patas de tamal que tienes.
Let's make sure you keep it on the leg.
What the fuck? Cool. So, what tacos you say we should try out, bro?
Tacos poblanos.
Tacos poblanos.
It's
Isn't
the
the?
cut, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
100%.
Hey, bro, I've been in the cut before, and I didn't get tacos.
Nah.
So for the tacos, no, in Vegas they have one at a tire shop.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fucked, bro. It's ghetto, but it's worth it. It's the best flavors.
Hey, bro, it don't matter how far it is. It don't matter how expensive. If the food is good, you gotta try it. You know? Burgers 99. Try
All right, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you.
It's worth it a lot.
For sure, man. Thank you. Have a good one.
So you're my brother. I want you to tell the people watching, what shoes are you wearing and what's your favorite pair of shoes?
Okay, so the ones that I have on are the Nike SB Supreme. I can't remember their exact name, but my favorite pair that I own and that I love to death, they're the Nike SB Doraemon. They have a red, blue, and white color palette. So fucking sick, and they have like a super small bell charm of the Doraemon.
And you wore those yesterday?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna wear them again tomorrow.
Thank you. Leave your social media for them so they can follow you.
Alright, so my IG is at the Young Beans on every single platform: Instagram, Snapchat, my YouTube. Just look up The Young Beans and you'll see me there.
What is it that you do?
Music.
Thank you. Here with Eddie Crow Eduardo. So tell me, sir, what are you wearing right now?
Right now, I'm wearing some Yeezy 700s.
What's your favorite sneaker of all time?
Sneaker of all time? I couldn't really choose. I have to fucking go either with Travis Scott Jordan 1s, the MF Doom SBs, Flom, For the Love of Money, or I have to go very, very simple and just go with the Red October Yeezys.
I see that you have the Kanye West shirt. You like it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is one of my favorite albums of Kanye.
So we're here with my main man, Heat the Keys.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
So Heat the Keys. First of all, I had to ask you, what is it that you do exactly?
I don't do anything, to tell you the truth. I'm a man with no skills. No, I'm just playing. I produce a little bit, I rap, I make beats, I engineer, I mix, I master, YouTube content creator. Legit dude, that's who I am.
So you do it all.
Yeah, I do it all.
Perfect, perfect. So my shoe is mainly about shoes.
Okay.
So what's your favorite pair of shoes ever?
The 11s, the original 11s.
Jordan
Yeah,
11s?
the whites with the blacks, the original 11s. I've been loving those since they came out. I'm old, so.
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
So let me see what you have on right now.
Got on some ones, saying the linen colors, they're all right, nothing too fancy.
So for people out there that want to be great like you, that they want to build a fan base, they want to get more subscribers, they want to do good in anything that they want to do, what can you tell those people?
Just work hard. I know that sounds so cliche, but if you work hard and you continue to put out content no matter what platform you're on, you're gonna grow subscribers. It's what happens a lot of times is that we as up and coming content creators, we get frustrated because we don't grow at the speed that we wanna grow at, and we give up too early. When it's maybe that next month was the month that you were gonna have your breakthrough month and you were gonna start getting more subscribers, getting more viewers, getting all the other stuff. So my main thing is to give it 100% effort. You may not be the best at anything, but you can make it to where nobody can outwork you, and make sure that you continue to put out content as much as you possibly can, because you have more opportunities to be discovered.
Yes, sir. We heard this guy rapping yesterday. He was amazing. I thought I was like over there in Detroit with Eminem in the 313. Thank you. Get the keys. Thank you very much, bro. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
Is it okay if I just ask you real quick about your shoes?
Oh yeah.
Come on, YouTube
About my
channel.
shoes?
Yeah, we're sneakers. Yeah.
You can ask me too, look.
I will too. So you were Wavy Wayne?
Yeah.
And then, so what is it that you do exactly?
I'm an audio engineer and I'm also an influencer. And I got a YouTube channel, Wayne.Wave on YouTube, where you can learn recording and mixing better and faster.
Perfect. So what are you wearing right now?
I'm wearing some Jordans. I think these some 6s, I think. I don't know. What is these? 4s?
1 and 3s.
3s. See, look, I don't even know. I'll be like, yo, that's tight. Buy it. Click. Got them.
Cool. Perfect. What are you wearing? See, you guys are matching.
Well, yeah, I'm just wearing these because my husband bought them, and we're matching. So that's the only reason.
My girls is the same thing.
It's called being a part of the squad. Okay.
Squad up.
Let's see.
Perfect. So blessings to you, bro. Okay. ¿Cómo es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Mi nombre es Fabio. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. ¿Le vas a los Golden Warriors?
Claro.
¿Sí? ¿Qué zapatos tienes puestos ahorita?
Los Nike SB Royal.
Me gustan los SBs también.
Sí, es lo que veo. Traes los Paul Rodríguez.
¿Y qué es lo que vienes a hacer aquí o qué es lo que
Voy a
buscas?
conocer un poco sobre todo este mundo de la música, de la industria. Todo eso me está llamando la atención. Vengo desde México.
¿De qué parte?
De la Ciudad de México, la capital.
Yo también soy del DF, de
¿Sí?
la Capirucha.
Entonces,
Muy bien. ¿Quieres que vayan a ganar los Warriors?
claro, mañana espero un partido difícil, pero nada es imposible, ¿no? Todo se
Muy bien.
puede.
Gracias.
Curry y ¿cuántos Canon?
Órale, ya está. Chido.
So we just came back from Cali. I'm super mad tired. I'm about to go to sleep. This is gonna be the end for the sauce. Let me know what you think about this video. If you want me to keep doing vlogs, it's not something that we usually do in the channel, but I thought it was fun. So that's gonna be it for the video. I'll catch you guys next time at the sauce. Peace.